So before I begin, I would again like to thank all of you who have joined this webinar, and I would like to introduce myself first before moving ahead. So my name is Ruchi Dwivedi Sharma. My hometown is Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, but I'm currently living in Pune, Maharashtra, for the last 16 plus years. So by education, I'm BTech from NIT Jalandhar, and I worked in IT sector for more than 15 years. And after that, I switched into this role of life coaching, counselor. I'm a psychotherapist as well, and NLP practitioner. So, who is this session for? Uh, and I think I had been sending a lot of messages and my videos regarding people know that they should not overthink, they should not say something which they do not want to, or if they want to respond in a very calm manner. But फिर भी क्या होता है in difficult situations, in triggering situation, we tend to say or do something which we actually are not supposed to. So अगर आप overthink करते हैं या फिर if you feel like you react sometimes very emotionally या you feel mentally exhausted, कोई same thought है जो बार बार आपके mind में आ रहा है, yeah, you are observing some kind of similar patterns in your relationship or in your work, and sometimes you are finding it difficult to say no, you're not able to create that boundary. Even if you do not want to, you are going ahead and say yes to a lot of things which you really do not want to. या फिर you are looking so much successful on the outside but inside you are feeling very much overwhelmed. So जहाँ पे भी आपको लगता है कि आपको just एक break लेना है, you really want to have some clarity, emotional control, calmness in your life. So I'm going to answer a lot of things regarding these topics in today's session. So as I just introduced myself, just a second, um, I need to admit someone. Okay. So I just gave my introduction. So before moving ahead, I would really like to give a very short personal story of myself, because you might be wondering, I was working in IT, I am an engineer, and then I'm now working in this completely different field. So one of the topics which I mentioned in the previous slide was in which one of the points was you're looking very successful from outside, but inside you're feeling very agitated, you're not calm, you're facing a lot of emotional turmoil. So that was exactly the kind of things that I was facing in my professional career. I was working in a very senior role in Accenture. That was my last company. I worked there for 9 long years. So everything was looking perfect from outside. I was having a loving family. I was getting a good paycheck. Everything was nice, but from inside, I was going through a lot of emotional turmoil. I was not able to understand my emotions. I was not able to feel my emotions. I was not able to express myself. So there were a lot of things which were happening that was actually creating a lot of hindrance in my professional life as well as a lot of roadblocks in my personal relationships as well. So that's the time that I took a sabbatical um, in order to take care of my small kids. But at the same time, I actually started developing interest towards all this psychology part and why, what is that something which actually happens to human beings because of which we feel so stuck. We are not able to move ahead even though we know each and everything logically. हम आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ रोड ब्लॉक्स लगते हैं. And most of the times in today's world आपके ये mindset की वजह से you feel a lot of disconnection within yourself as well as with your close one also. फिर आपकी professional life में भी it starts impacting to a great manner. So that was a short story of myself because of which I got into this field, and for the last few years I've been actively trying to help out people who have been going through a similar kind of experience, because I have actually given myself time to heal myself, to came out of that cocoon, and Now I'm trying to help other people around as well. Also, yeah, okay, so this is a quick agenda. I'm just going to cover it very quickly. So before moving ahead to this, psychology part, energy part, I'm going to talk about the five layered person, like हमारे human being के five layers होते हैं. Then I'm going to talk about the mental body as well as the energy body. Just a second, I have to add something. Okay. And then obviously a very important topic which is very, very much relevant in today's world about suppressed emotions and कॉमन पैटर्न्स जहाँ पे आपको जो आपके इमोशनल जो आप इश्यूज से गुजर रहे होते हैं दैट एक्चुअली स्टार्ट impacting your physical well-being. You start having some kind of physical illness in some form or other. Okay. And again, I'm going to touch upon a very interesting topic about manifestation because that is a buzzword these days. कि आप manifestation कर लो, law of attraction, and everything is going to sort out. So I'm going to touch upon that, and obviously, uh, some of the things that you can do in order to come out of that. And I'm going to include very small, small little meditations in between as well, so that I can make you understand how actually things are working behind the scene. Okay, so obviously, in a short webinar, it's not possible to go deep into each and every topic, but I would really try my best to make you understand things in a simplified way. Uh, okay, and if you have any kind of questions in between, then please just unmute yourself and mm, and just talk about it. Okay. Okay, any questions so far? Can I move ahead? Okay. Okay, so this is a very interesting thing to know, and I haven't created it as such. This is coming from our scriptures only. So we human beings are actually five layered person. Okay, I'm not going into much details about each and every layer, but this is only being put here so that you can understand it is not just the mind, or it is not just the body that we need to, think about and work on it, but there are other elements as well. So first of all, it is our Annamaya kosha, or you can just simply say physical body, the body that we can see, feel, touch, everything. Okay, जो हमारी physical body है जिसको हम ध्यान रखते हैं उसका by taking proper diet and exercise and everything. On the top of it, as you can see, we are having this pranamaya kosha, which is pranamaya kosha. It is energy body, pranic body. जो प्राण होते हैं वो आप उससे रिलेट कर सकते हैं. So this is the place where all of your chakras, एनर्जी सेंटर्स जो होते हैं, मेरिडियंस होते हैं, so all the energy thing flow using these meridians. So this is a very important layer because we cannot just avoid this and work only on the mind. So both things go hand in hand. And the third is your Manomaya Kosha, which is a mental body, which is a hub of your mind, emotions, feeling, thoughts, and everything which is there. So, in today's session, I am going to touch upon this Manomaya Kosha and Pranamaya Kosha, basically mind and energy, and obviously this physical body. These three first layers. After that, we have this, wisdom body and Anandmaya Kosha, which is like spiritual thing and everything. I'm not going to touch upon that, but this is just to make you aware that these are the three things, and we have to be, aware so that we can have a proper alignment between all of them. Okay, so I'm going to first talk about the mental body. So as you can see here, the left picture, I have consciously put it here because I really want to start this mental work right from this thing. हम अगर ये थोड़ा समझ लेते हैं तो it becomes easy आगे के लिए कि actually what is happening with us. Okay, so psychology के deep में I'm not going to go into that, but as you can see हम जो conscious thinking की बात करते हैं, जो हम logically सारी चीजें करते हैं, that conscious mind is just the 5%. जो आप ऊपर देख रहे हैं, which is a container for short term memory, आपका logical thinking, willpower and everything. But at the bottom, which you are seeing, your unconscious thinking, आप उसको कई बार subconscious mind बोलते हैं, right? That is actually 95%. और यहीं पे
Jyoti,
सारा गेम होता
are
है.
you are
Hello.
you sharing because we cannot see your screen?
Yes, I am sharing. Is anybody else facing the same issue? Okay, Haima, are you able to see the screen? Can you please message or okay, it is visible. Okay, fine. Haima, I would try to finish it in like 60 minutes or so. But if it goes beyond that, I can share the recording with you later on. Okay, I hope that works out. Okay. Pavanji, are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, now it is visible.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is the place, okay, no problem, Haima. Okay, so as you can see here, our self-confidence, our emotions, our identity, our values, beliefs. I'm going to touch upon these beliefs and values in the next slides. आपका जो imagination होता है, long term जो memory होती है, automatically bodily functions होते हैं. My eyes are blinking. I am breathing. I do not have to think about it. It is all happening subconsciously, जो हम सबके साथ होता है. This is automatically bodily functions. All of these things are happening because of अपना subconscious thinking part. Okay. So and this is the place where all our belief system या फिर जो आपके irrational जो आपके thinking patterns, everything sits there. And that is the reason why even though we have a we hear some motivational speech and we think willpower बढ़ गया है, from tomorrow onwards I'm going to do and this and that, but we are unable to. We feel stuck. Why? Because the thought pattern जो भी आपका है उससे related, that is still there in the subconscious mind, and because of which you're not able to do certain things which you really want. Okay. Okay, so here comes the same thing. You even know what should be done, but you are not able to do it. So if somebody is from the medical background, you would be able to understand it. Again, I'm not going deep. I'm just trying to explain it in a very simplified way. So हमारे brain में, and this is with everybody, right? Hardware, this brain is same for everybody. We have this 80 billion neurons in our brain and 60 trillion cells in our body. Okay. So what happens is, like a simple example, like you want to wake up early in the morning at 5 a.m., right? So what happens is, like आप एक neural pathways बनते हैं. अगर आपका वो थॉट इतना स्ट्रांग है एंड देयर इज नो इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस एज सच, कोई रेजिस्टेंस, कोई क्रिटिक अंदर से कोई आवाज नहीं आ रही है कि नहीं, you won't be able to wake up, or you are always lazy, you always wake up late or something like that. अगर वो इतना नहीं है, तो ये जो कनेक्शंस होते हैं न्यूरॉन्स के, यहाँ पे एक नेटवर्क जैसा बनाते हैं जिसकी वजह से करंट फ्लो होता है. एंड एज आई सेड, इफ यू आर फ्रॉम द मेडिकल बैकग्राउंड, जो ईईजी होता है उसके थ्रू दे ऑल्सो चेक कि दैट how the current is flowing and everything is working fine or not. So that when that current flows, it passes the signal to these cells in our body, and accordingly we are able to do some action. This is how we do certain action. लेकिन ये जो inner critic है, if it is very strong, that is coming as a big resistance, then वो जो न्यूरल पाथवेज बनने चाहिए यहाँ पे न्यूरॉन्स के ब्रेन में, वो नहीं बन पाते. एंड वी कीप ऑन थिंकिंग, आई रियली वांट टू डू दिस, बट why I'm not able to. So this is something which happens at a very subtle level behind the scene, and we are not able to understand what is something that is actually happening. अभी now I'm going to touch upon this critic part कि न्यूरल रेजिस्टेंस क्या होता है एंड कैसे डेवलप होता है. ओके. सो न्यूरल रेजिस्टेंस बोल लीजिए आप उसको, या फिर एक हमारी इंटरनल प्रोग्रामिंग बोल लीजिए. एंड आजकल आई मीन जो पेरेंट्स हैं दे मस्ट बी hearing this thing from so many pediatricians that जो बच्चे होते हैं in them 95% of the programming happen when you were 7 years or 7 years तक उनके maximum programming हो जाती है. Why this programming happens, whatever things they are seeing, they are hearing, they are believing, the atmosphere they are in, the kind of parents they are having, the kind of school they are going to, all these things contribute to their altogether thought process and वो एक program की तरह बन जाता है. तो जब एक प्रोग्रामिंग फिक्स हो जाती है तो अकॉर्डिंगली आप फिर ये जो एडल्टहुड में जब आप जाते हो अगर कुछ ऐसी प्रोग्रामिंग बन गई विच इज नॉट रियली गुड, then obviously you're going to face some kind of resistance from inside whenever you want to do something to achieve your goal, or if you want to do something really special. All the time there's some kind of inner voices coming out. A simple example could be you are very weak in maths. Like कभी कभी हम बच्चों को बहुत ऐसे ही बोल देते हैं, ओके तुमसे नहीं होगा, आप बहुत स्लो हो इसमें. So even though in adult that person tries to do something, and but the inner critic sometimes becomes so strong. वो जो voice होती है, जो आवाज कभी किसी और से हमने सुनी थी but वो हमारी ही आवाज बन जाती है धीरे धीरे प्रोग्रामिंग के थ्रू. And that actually acts as an inner critic whenever you want to take any action. Okay. And so now comes a very important part. I've told you like the action part and everything. अभी हम थोड़ा बिहेवियर पे बात करते हैं, राइट. सो बिहेवियर में देर इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एग्जाम्पल विच आई यूजुअली गिव इन ऑन माई वेबिनार्स because this is very simple to understand, and this has taken from day-to-day thing that we do in the kitchen like cooking. Okay, we use a pressure cooker. So आप ये इसको compare कर सकते हैं like the whistle you can take as an action or a behavior. In between, you have the feelings, and the bottom, the fire that you are seeing. These are thoughts, judgment, or needs. Now, let me try to explain this with a very simple example. Okay, like आपका कुछ बिहेवियर आया, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम से इरिटेशन हुआ किसी चीज़ पे, आपको गुस्सा आ गया और आपने बहुत कुछ बोल दिया, right? Which you really didn't want to, you did not intend to. Everybody knows logically that हमको ऐसे एकदम रिएक्ट नहीं करना है, especially with kids. सो उसके नीचे आप देखेंगे आपका जो फीलिंग्स पार्ट है, राइट. फीलिंग्स पार्ट पे है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर नॉट एक्चुअली taught to express ourselves, yeah, actually understand. Just a second, I need to admit something. Okay, so we are not able to understand about what our feelings are, and but उसके नीचे जो actual thing हो रही है, आपके अभी feelings क्या है, maybe you got agitated, you got hurt, you got angry, uh, I mean, all the negative emotions that has come here. But at the bottom, if you see, the fire part is the thought. Thought आप इसको बोल सकते हैं या whatever belief system that you're having or whatever needs or judgments that you are carrying. So suppose if you are having a very strong belief system that my child should understand me all the time, he should listen to me all the time. A very demanding kind of belief that you have inside, then whenever that thing is not happening, that particular need is not getting met, then obviously when the situation comes and the child is not listening to you, you're going to feel agitated, and then the behavior comes into picture in the form of some anger, irritation, or you might say something very wrong which you do not intend to. So that's how the entire thing happens in such a quick way, in milliseconds, that we do not even realize कि हमने react क्यों किया, right? So that's why whenever we go to someone, especially the kind of clients that I deal with, they say like मुझे अपना गुस्सा कम करना है या फिर मेरा ये behavior issue है. But actually you're not able to understand behavior is the last stage that is being shown outside. But beside that, these are the things that you have to actually understand. Okay, so as you can see, we are wearing all the different kind of buttons on us. ठीक है, जो अपने triggers होते हैं, and most of the time we do not understand actually what is happening, and we keep on reacting in a ways that we do not want to. A very practical example I'm giving here so that you will be able to understand this part. So suppose there are two people who are working in the same team, and both of them got criticized for something they did really bad for the project. Okay, they got a very bad criticism from the boss. If one person is having a thought, a very strong thought or a belief that okay, my boss has said something to me, and I can just think about if I can do something about it. I can take it as a feedback. Then he would be emotionally calm. Maybe he felt hurt. He felt a bit disappointed, but it is not a very big, heavy emotion like very angry, very agitated, and criticizing himself. He is okay, and he's able to understand his emotion, and then his behavior is also in a normal way. But suppose if there is a candidate who's having, for some reason, he is having some internal critic sitting here. He's having that thought process like, okay, I'm not good enough. Okay. And if somebody has criticized him, then all those emotions, see that fire, okay, I'm not good enough. So all those feelings of agitation, hurt, and self criticism is going to pop up. Okay, and obviously he's going to see some symptoms in the body, some kind of heart palpitation, some heaviness in the throat or heart or head or something like that. And actually the behavior is going to come out in a way which he might not be willing to do. So he might just get very agitated, he might say something which is not appropriate. He might show his anger to his family members later on. And I think this is something that we all have experienced in our life with different people around. So ये एक chain होती है, that's how our behavior is coming up. So it's very important to actually pick up that particular thought, our belief that is actually triggering the whole situation. Okay, so we have to understand our triggers because of which we are going into different states whenever an event is happening. Okay, so now I've been talking a lot about these thoughts, thought process and everything. इसको हम belief भी बोल सकते हैं. So belief is nothing but if there is a thought which is getting repeated many times, बार 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 बार, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको example दिया, you're not good in maths, you are not good in maths, you are not confident, you are not able to do things properly or whatever is like. And most of the time this programming, I mean these repeated thoughts become your belief mostly from the childhood. And but if there is a case when there was no issue in the childhood, then the adolescence years, okay, when you are being bombarded with so many different kind of situations and the people around, that also contribute to a lot of beliefs that you start to carry. Okay, so anything which exists as a truth in our mind, it becomes a belief. Okay, आप इसको ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि जो हम सॉफ्टवेयर बनाते हैं उसका जो कोडिंग रहता है, तो एक्चुअली ये हमारे माइंड में कोड की तरह बन जाता है. सो वेन एवर सम काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन हैपेंस, सम इवेंट हैपेंस, ये प्रोग्रामिंग हमारी चलती है एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी स्टार्ट बिहेविंग इन दैट वे. ओके, सो ऑल द बिहेवियर्स जो हमारे हैं दे आर बिलीफ ड्रिवन. बिलीफ की वजह से हमारे बिहेवियर्स होते हैं. So I'm calling that limiting belief or irrational belief. Okay, they, you can consider it as an invisible walls around us. Okay, that is actually not going to help you move forward in your life. ये हमारे माइंड में एक साउंड की तरह चलते हैं हमेशा, एक वॉइस, तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, तुम तो हमेशा गलती करते हो, या फिर you're not going to get good people in your life, you always you do not look beautiful, or something like that. But if there is some good belief, right, rational belief, positive belief, then obviously it is going to help you move forward. Like you are an action taker, or you are very intelligent, you are confident. Okay, तो ये जो beliefs होते हैं ना, ये जो मैंने आपको subconscious mind बताया था, iceberg के नीचे का part, they sit deep down into that. And by just logically talking and thinking, we are not able to touch upon that. Okay, so whatever our thoughts are, our choices that we make, our action that we do, they all are influenced by the kind of belief systems that we have. So there are few examples on the slide about the disempowering beliefs, which are very common. Like I'm not good at work, right? And if this is also very common, it is difficult to lose weight. एक ये mind में बन गया तो even though you are trying very hard, to having diet, proper diet and exercise and everything, but अगर आपके यहाँ पे that belief is stuck, okay, it is very difficult to lose weight, then actually it is going to difficult for you to lose weight. आपकी जो न्यूरल नेटवर्क बनना चाहिए था वो नहीं बन पाता है। ये हमेशा ही अंदर से एक रेजिस्टेंस रहता है। ओके, पीपल आर नॉट लॉयल इन दिस वर्ल्ड। आपने एक जनरलाइजेशन कर लिया because you have had many incidents in the past where you met some wrong people. Okay, or other people must treat me kindly and fairly or else they are bad. This is again a very common thing. Whenever we feel like we are not meeting with the right people, we generalize that all people are selfish, all people are bad in this world. So actually I'm going to touch upon the manifestation, but now it has come, so I'm just I would like to talk about this thing कि like attracts like. So जो हमारे थॉट्स होते हैं, विचार होते हैं, दे आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस इन इट, दे आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी, ऊर्जा हमेशा रहती है। जैसे मैंने बताया ना, ये जो करंट फ्लो होता है उसी की वजह से होता है। So if you are having such kind of belief, then actually like attracts like. You are going to attract those kind of situations or people around जो आपके इस belief से match करता है। So please, I mean, this point is very, very important to understand. कि sometimes we feel like why I always feel getting stuck in a similar kind of situation or in a relationship like these. I mean, such kind of things are happening so much these days. There were, some people complain like I keep on meeting toxic people in my life. Why? Because maybe in your head you have that kind of belief like people are toxic, you know all people are toxic, so you are actually bumping into such kind of with such kind of people only who are giving you those traits. Okay, so this is very important to understand. But at the same time, I will be touching upon that later. But as I said, subconscious level पे ये सारे beliefs हैं, but that can be reprogrammed. Okay, ये जो सब wiring यहाँ पे सब change जो करना होता है, प्रोग्रामिंग चेंज होनी है। जैसे कोई कोड में प्रॉब्लम होता है तो वी डू द बग फिक्सिंग एंड ऑल। आपके फोन में कोई ऐप होता है तो उसके कुछ अपग्रेड्स आते रहते हैं सो दैट certain functionality which are not working properly they can be fixed or new features can be installed. So whatever things that we are seeing these days, is all the advancement in technology. Actually, I have read somewhere that most of the things are being actually being referenced from our, how our mind works, especially the artificial intelligence as well. Whenever we see on YouTube and we keep on seeing the similar kind of stuff. Why? Because उनका background में वो सारा screening कर लेते हैं, and accordingly they keep on showing the same content. Okay, so this all these things are being taken from how our mind works. Okay, the kind of thing, the kind of energy that we are creating here, we are going to attract, we are going to meet and see, similar kind of things. Okay, so these are very empowering beliefs. Okay, I take responsibility of my life, and I can love others without losing myself. Yeah, no matter what, I can do it, and all the things. So as you can see, if you're having such kind of belief system here, these are going to be helpful for you in order to achieve your goals. They are not creating any kind of hindrance. ये आपका न्यूरल नेटवर्क बनाने में हेल्प करेगा, and you will be able to take the appropriate actions. Okay, so there is this cute analogy about this ants automatic negative thoughts, so I just thought of putting it here so that you can read it. If you wish, I can share this PPT also with you later on. You can ping me separately. ओके, सो ये नेगेटिव थॉट्स जैसे कहाँ से आते हैं? आपके पास्ट ओरिएंटेड जो भी कोई ऐसी मेमोरीज हैं, बहुत हार्ड मेमोरीज होती है, कभी कभी वेरी हर्टफुल मोमेंट्स, सम रिग्रेट्स, या यू कीप ऑन वरिंग, यू फील सो मच एंशियस अबाउट द फ्यूचर. It is not about just being cautious and just doing some actions regarding the future, but there are people who are actually very much anxious. They keep on worrying about the future इन अ कैटास्ट्रॉपिक वे कि बहुत बुरा हो जाएगा, या ऐसा होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, राइट? सेल्फ जजमेंट, this is again one of the biggest problem that many people face and they do not realize is कि without कि before anybody else, the outside person criticize you or judge you, actually we ourselves keep on judging ourselves most of the time at an unconscious subconscious level कि मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ या अच्छी नहीं हूँ, मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा या मेरा कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, या somewhere around the same line. And again, judging others behavior, worst से worst चीजें imagine करना, catastrophizing करना. So all these are the examples that you can see on the screen. They are all irrational beliefs. These are the thoughts that Agni that you were seeing at the below of the प्रेशर कुकर। तो जब तक आप वो फ्लेम को बंद नहीं करोगे, वो सीटी बजती रहेगी। दैट्स व्हाई आई गिव दैट एग्जांपल। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हाट वी डू, वी जस्ट ट्राई टू सप्रेस, सीटी को बंद कर देते हैं आवाज आती है तो, बट वी डू नॉट रियलाइज व्हाट इज एक्चुअली गोइंग, beside that we need to take care of. Okay, and as I said, these scripts affect us very badly in all the major areas of our life. This is not just harming our body, but obviously, if you're having any kind of irrational thought process, or I can call this a script, like if I'm not good enough, it is obviously going to create hurdles in your personal relationships, in your career. You won't be able to take up some major responsibilities which are required for your career growth. It is going to affect your finances, it is going to affect your self-worth, and each and every area. So that's why it is very, very important to pick up those irrational thoughts which are actually causing a lot of trouble in your life. So this is again aligned with the that irrational thoughts only, but it is more towards thoughts that you have created about yourself. As I said, ये self critic वाला part यहाँ पे आता है कि आपने खुद की identity क्या बनाई है. Those people who have joined this webinar from the challenge group, they know, like I asked you to do some exercise where you are writing some I am statement. So it is very important कि what you are saying in your mind about your own self. आपके क्या थॉट्स है, बिकॉज आप जो अपनी आइडेंटिटी क्रिएट कर रहे हो, अकॉर्डिंगली यू आर गोइंग टू नो डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. लाइक आप नेगेटिव अगर आइडेंटिटी आपने बता दी कि आई एम एंशियस और आई एम डायबिटिक, और सो एक्चुअली दिस इज काइंड ऑफ क्रिएटिंग a critic inside you. So even though you are doing things outside, but you're not going to get the results out of it. Empowering identity, like I'm intelligent, I'm compassionate, action taker, I'm hardworking, and this requires work. I mean, sometimes the kind of identities that we have created at the subconscious level are become so strong that it becomes difficult to come out of it. So again, repeatedly the things that we are saying in our mind, the self-talk, your mind is a supercomputer actually. It is programmed by your self-talk. So it is very essential to understand that. Okay, so till now I have talked about the mental body part, and how things are happening over there. I think I tried to make things a bit simpler so that you can understand. Now you can start, you know uh, checking out, or whenever you are feeling some anxiousness or some negative things are coming up in your mind, you can just take a break and start checking on yourself ki what is actually triggering, what is the thought process that is coming up. Is some irrational thought process, and after that I would request you to do one exercise live here, which is really going to be helpful for you whenever you feel such kind of anxiety or कुछ ऐसी situations में when you're not able to handle yourself. So it would help you to calm down a little bit. Okay, so all of you with me, is it possible for you to do a quick 2-3 minutes of exercise, breathing exercise? And why I'm talking about it is because the research have said, like, very firmly, emotions and breathing are deeply interconnected. जो भी आपके कुछ ऐसे इमोशंस रहते हैं और जैसे आपकी ब्रीदिंग चल रही है, दे आर ऑलवेज इंटरकनेक्टेड. तो हैव यू सीन अ वेरी स्मॉल बेबी जो हमेशा रिलैक्स और अच्छे हैप्पी मोड में रहता है, and you will see it, and the baby is, you do not have to teach that baby, the baby is actually breathing in a very deep way, एक rhythmic way में the baby keeps on breathing. But we adults actually, firstly we do not notice how we are breathing, but you might have noticed at times when you are in immense stress, or you're being triggered, or you are very angry or something, you see you are actually doing very shallow breathing. You're unable to do the deep breathing. हो ही नहीं पाता है हमसे. So this is a very small exercise I would like you to do. So I hope everybody is available and they are able to see my screen over here. Give me a thumbs up, please. Okay. So for this, you have to just try to just hold both of your palms like this. Okay, just hold it tightly. Okay, and this is something please learn, and you can just do it every day for 2 3 minutes, and it's going to give you a lot of release from all the things that are troubling you. Okay, and just try to then put your hands on your belly. Okay, I won't be able to show that on the screen, but you can just do it. आप अपने belly पे ऐसे हाथ रखिए, and then close your eyes, and now just pay attention to how you are breathing. So when you are breathing, जब आप सांस ले रहे हैं तो आपका belly expand होना चाहिए. And that is how actually small baby breathes. When you're inhaling, your belly should come out. जैसे कि आप ऑक्सीजन पूरा फिल कर रहे हैं अपने डायफ्राम के थ्रू पूरा स्टमक में. Hold on for a second and then release by exhaling. Again एक deep breath करने की कोशिश करिए and try to focus on your breath completely, belly out while inhaling. Hand should remain on your belly and feel how the belly is going in and out. Again, one more time. Deep breathing, belly is coming out. While exhaling, belly is coming in. So this is a very, very good trick whenever you are feeling, I mean, going through a difficult time and you are, unable to express yourself. You just want to calm yourself for a while so that later on you can respond in a nice way. If it is possible for you, just take a break and do these deep breathing for 2 3 minutes only, and it will actually give you a break from whatever has happened. And then afterwards you can see कि क्या हुआ था, what were the triggers, what were my thought process, and accordingly you can handle your emotions. Okay, so our emotions and breathing are deeply connected, please remember this. I hope you found it helpful, and please try to do it every single day for 5 minutes. It is definitely going to energize your body cells in a great way. Okay, so I'm done with the mental body. Now I'm going to touch upon the energy body because both are interconnected. So again, I'm not going to deep into that, but just to let you know, कि suppose you are just working on your thought process. Okay, now you have understood कि what is actually happening inside me, why I'm behaving, why I'm feeling stuck, what are my triggers, why I'm overthinking on certain things because वो thoughts बार बार pop up हो रहे हैं. But apart from that, as I said, we have this pranamaya kosha as well, energy body. Okay, so energy body is basically made up of your aura, okay, and your different energy centers. Those who are actually into yoga and everything, they might be able to understand about these chakras. These are the major energy centers which are responsible. आप उनको power stations की तरह ले सकते हो कि because we keep on getting a lot of energy from the universe inside us. Okay, our whole electromagnetic एक radiation चलता रहता है हमारी body से, like magnetic field एक रहता है. So these energy centers actually help in moving that energy in a proper way. It acts like a power station to energize each and every cell, each and every organ in our body, right? So this is how actually our body works. इसलिए जब whenever someone dies, it is being usually said कि उसके प्राण चले गए. So this pran is nothing, this this energy, this energy body. Okay, so healthy aura, as you can see, it is all healthy. So good thoughts and good energy. But whenever we feel we are stuck into that loop of negative irrational thoughts या जो भी हमारे अंदर pain, fears, hurt, ये सारी चीजें हैं, actually it keeps on creating holes in our aura, and then we start getting diseases. So that is why I wanted to touch upon this thing कि आजकल you must be hearing a lot कि stress से हमें ये बीमारी हो जाती है वो, but actually में होता क्या है that is really required to understand. So this is the body mind connection. So हमारी energy body, it keeps on getting dirty. हम उसे क्लीन नहीं करते हैं, वी डोंट रियलाइज कि हमारे एनर्जी सेंटर्स में कितने ब्लॉकेजेस हो जाते हैं एक्चुअली नेगेटिव एनर्जी के. And many a times we keep having pain somewhere or the other, kabhi idhar kabhi idhar, and not just in old age but sometimes in the younger days as well. We start feeling a lot of discomfort at certain places, so this is nothing, in most of the cases it is psychomatic. ये कभी वर्ड बहुत it is very popular, getting popular these days. This is basically the diseases that are being caused by the unhandled emotions and feeling. जो आपके suppressed emotions है, वो जो अंदर भरे रहते हैं, they actually start giving you a lot of diseases, pain, and so many things which we do not even realize. Okay, and suppression is something that I think we all of us do in some way or the other. Sometimes because we want to look as a very strong person. Okay, we feel कि अगर हम अपने को emotions को हम express करेंगे, then we become weak. We do not want to show any disrespect to other people. हमें tolerance show करना है, या फिर कभी कुछ extreme cases में there is violence, abuse and everything. बट क्या होता है, जैसे कि मान लीजिए, इफ यू डू नॉट थ्रो आउट द गार्बेज इन योर हाउस एवरी सिंगल डे, what start happening, right? You start, it starts smelling so bad. So this, all these negative things that are actually stuck in your body in some form or other, energy के form में, जैसे मैंने बताया, every thought is an energy, right? So that energy के form में जब negative energy it is stuck on so many areas in your body, so जो भी आपका sensitive weak area होता है, वहाँ पे जाके it actually takes a form of a disease. Okay, and this is all which has been taken from the research. Okay, and the doctors also say the same thing these days, जैसे कि कैंसर जैसी चीजें हैं, unresolved anger या hurt होता है, there's so much of resentment, diabetes, unforgiveness, right? Heart attack, again, you know, you have lot of resentment or anger towards someone, आपको, you know, you're not unable to express love or give that joy to other people. And stroke, giving up on life. So all these things, these are the diseases, basically they are the emotionally formed. कहीं ना कहीं इसका बैकग्राउंड वहां पे आता है. So this is very important to know कि why it is so much important to understand कि ये हमें किस लेवल तक हार्म कर सकता है. And our body stores unresolved emotion and stress, which manifest as physical ailments. So this is something which has been taken from a, there is a very famous lady called Louise Hay. Okay, she has done a lot of work in this field, a very senior person who has actually researched, and you know, there is a book also on the same topic. I have taken this thing exactly from that book कि कैसे आप एक एक चीज को, you know, you can understand कि if you are having some, you know, knee related pain, knee pain, so that is coming from your ego. or maybe some people are having skin problem, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ shame रहता है, या फिर lower back का, it is coming from some kind of guilt which is stored. So there is a relationship between the issues that you're facing in your body and the kind of emotion that you have been carrying. Okay, so again, a similar kind of thing. Okay, so now you have understood why it is so much important to firstly check out on the kind of negative thoughts or the irrational thought process, or whatever kind of stuck emotions that are there inside you, because they are nothing but rotten rats sitting inside you, giving you all those pains and problematic things. Okay, but now the good part is you can definitely work on your mind by changing these irrational thoughts. It can be reprogrammed, because the best part of our mind is it does not discriminate between reality and imagination. Okay, so that's why doing some kind of meditations, we you might have to do some, logical thing to change, to modify your rational thoughts to a rational thought process, but at the same time with the use of some kind of meditation, because meditation is the only way where you can touch upon your subconscious mind and actually reprogram the things that have been sitting there for a long time. Okay, so are you ready to do a small exercise, 2 3 minute exercise, because I really want to make you understand the power of visualization, because in all the meditation you have to visualize something. And I just wanted to make it practical so that you understand whatever I'm saying, it is not just on the paper, it is actually real that you can feel. So please give me a thumbs up if you are ready to do a quick exercise here. Okay. Okay, so just you have to sit straight, close your eyes, and just follow my instruction. Do not open your eyes. Just take a deep breath. Just keep your eyes closed. Okay, keep your eyes closed. And now imagine or visualize yourself that you are sitting in your living room very comfortably. And there is no one else in the house. You're sitting in your living room in a very peaceful way. And suddenly, as the summer is going on, आपको मन किया कि you want to make a good lemonade for yourself. So you just get up and you are heading towards your kitchen. You're opening the door of the refrigerator, and from there you just took out one lemon, and it is a very beautiful yellow colored big juicy lemon in front of you. अभी आपने नाइफ लिया अपना और उसको कट किया. It was smelling so good that you felt like, let me just taste few drops of this lemon before making the lemonade. So you just held that half piece of lemon in your hand, and uh, squeezed few drops, दो तीन drops आपने अपने mouth में डाले, and you felt just wow. Just be in that moment for a second. Pratibha ji, can you please mute yourself? Okay, now you can open your eyes, and I would really like you to share your experience. आपको मुंह में कुछ स्वाद आया लेमन का, या जस्ट मुंह में पानी आया? Did you feel something? Please unmute yourself and share your experience. I really want this session to be interactive. Or you can just message if you do not want to talk in the call. Or you could not visualize anything the way I wanted you to. Please respond. Okay, hi Ma. Thanks for your message. Yeah, so basically आप visualize नहीं कर पाए, that's okay. अगर आपको कुछ feel भी नहीं हुआ, that is fine. But I just wanted you to experience कि जब हम किसी meditative state में होते हैं, we visualize, तो हम जो चीजें नहीं भी होती हैं, हम वो feel कर पाते हैं. And that is why it is being said, mind does not discriminate between reality and imagination. तो ये जो भी फंसा हुआ है subconscious mind में, it can be reprogrammed with the help of such kind of meditations, right? And meditations and some logical exercises जहाँ पे आप बार बार खुद को remind करा रहे हो कि no, this is irrational, I need to move towards the rational thought process. And at the same time we have to keep on clearing out the blockages that are there in our energy centers. So both have to be done side by side. Then only you can see the holistic healing from inside out. Okay. Okay, so there are 7 stages. However, thoughts and emotions create diseases. So stage one, thought is triggered by a situation. Then stage two, emotions create होते हैं हमारे. स्टेज थ्री में रिपीटिशन होता है, एक ही थॉट का तो हमारा पैटर्न बन जाता है. देन हमारा नर्वस सिस्टम एंड हार्मोन शिफ्ट होते हैं. देन फिजिकल टेंशन, एनर्जी ब्लॉकेज होने लग जाता है, हमको एनर्जी हमारे ब्लॉकेजेस होते हैं. एंड देन जो सेल लेवल पे इम्पैक्ट करने लग जाता है. एंड फाइनली हमारा जो क्रोनिक इलनेस या पेन्स जो भी होते हैं उसके बाद हमें फाइनल स्टेज होता है. सी, वी ऑल गो थ्रू डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशंस एवरी सिंगल डे. दैट इज ओके. कुछ टाइम के लिए हुआ, वी कम आउट ऑफ इट, वी आर ओके. बट अगर इफ देयर इज समथिंग विच इज हैपनिंग रिपीटेडली, राइट, आपको बार बार उस चीज को लेके एंजाइटी हो रही है, ओवर थिंकिंग, यूर फीलिंग स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, यूर फीलिंग हैवीनेस, एनर्जी ब्लॉकेजेस हो गए, then unfortunately it is going to create some physical impact. Okay, so you can think about now, this whole slide is in front of you. Where are you right now? आप कौन से स्टेज पर हैं अभी? Because in my case, many of you, I mean, who have joined late, I had actually gone till stage 6. I had just touched upon stage 7 also. It was just a borderline case for me, so I could, track back and understand, because sometimes these diseases becomes at such a level that becomes difficult to backtrack. So the awareness is very much important. This is not to scare you. I mean this knowledge is very important, just not for yourself but for your close ones as well. Okay, and we become more conscious about what kind of thoughts we are creating, the kind of things that we are doing. Otherwise it becomes very difficult, very very difficult later on. Okay. Okay. Again, a very good exercise. This is again going to be very helpful for you for clearing out your blocks, and whenever you are feeling very heaviness regarding something. So as I mentioned initially कि हमारी जो फिजियोलॉजी होती है, हमारा जो फिजिकली हम कैसे हैं, then हमारा focus, because what happens is like where we are focusing our energy is going into that thing. Like अगर एक thought, अगर कुछ अच्छा thought है, we are focusing on that, then we create, I mean, magic. We create so many good things. But the focus is on a wrong thing, then again आप energy को उसको feed कर रहे हो, then it comes out in a very bad way. तो यहाँ हम क्या करेंगे, आपका फिजियोलॉजी, फोकस और इनर डायलॉग, आप खुद को क्या बोल रहे हो, उससे हम एक आपकी अच्छी स्टेट क्रिएट करेंगे. गुड स्टेट मतलब एक हैप्पी स्टेट, एक रिलैक्स स्टेट. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेगेटिव स्टेट्स विच आर ओवर देयर, बट right now in this quick meditation, we are going to have that neural connection built, राइट, जो हमारे 80 बिलियन न्यूरॉन्स रहते हैं यहाँ पे, जो बॉडी के साथ कनेक्ट रहेंगे, आपके सेल्स को एनर्जी देंगे, एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू फील सम काइंड ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन. सो आर यू रेडी फॉर इट? कैन वी डू इट क्विकली? I know I'm running short of time. I'm trying to finish it in 10-15 minutes. Okay, but this is again a very powerful tool that you can use later on as well. Mm, just a second. Okay. Okay, so again, just close your eyes and just follow my instructions. Just do not open your eyes in between, otherwise you will just lose out. Close your eyes. Do the deep breathing, which I just taught you a few minutes back. Focus on your breath. महसूस करिए अपनी जो breath, आपकी जो ऑक्सीजन आप अंदर डाल रहे हैं, and visualize करिए the good oxygen, the air that you are breathing in. Firstly, it is going into your throat. It is clearing up your throat area, जो भी blockages हैं वहाँ पे. Then it is going into your heart area. Then it is going towards your belly, your pelvic region, your knees, your legs, and then it is actually this oxygen is clearing out all the heaviness, all the blockages that are there in different parts of the body. Your every cell is getting energized right now. The heaviness is coming out from your breath. आप जो exhale कर रहे हो उससे सारी heaviness बाहर जा रही है. And you are actually feeling relaxed. You're feeling some power inside you. You're feeling some strength inside you. If you wish, you can take your name and say, I'm feeling relaxed. All the heaviness is leaving my body by my breath. I'm oxygenated. Each and every cell of my body is oxygenated. I am feeling very much relaxed. All the stress is leaving out my body. Take one more deep breath and just open your eyes and tell me about your experience. Okay, okay. Thanks you, Madhura, and everyone who have tried this. But this was just a very, small exercise, quick exercise that you can do for your own self also. So this was just to let you know कि हम जैसा खुद को बोलते हैं, हम focus करके whatever inner dialogues we are telling, we are trying to, oxygen, inhaling, this breathing is super powerful. In all the meditations you have done before also, आपने notice किया होगा, breathing plays a major role because breathing से हमारे emotions बहुत control होते हैं. So if there is any kind of situation, you can try this house. In fact, I would say recommend if you can do it daily before sleeping, you are going to get, you know, I mean, a lot of anxiousness will go out. Okay, okay. And a humble request to each one of you who is there in the call. Please remain there till the end because I'm having some very important announcement, and many of you you are not in my contact list. I won't be able to contact you later on. Or if you need to leave, just share your number, in the chat box. Okay, and I can share my number here. So please text me later on if you really have to leave because I'm going to share this PPT. I can share this PPT also. Just a second, I'm unable to type here. I don't know. There is some issue with my window. Okay. Okay. So I'm unable to give my number over here. I'm not able to type, but that's okay. Just remain there in the call. And if you have to leave, please share your number or your email ID so that I can contact you later on. Okay. So again, this was just to let you know how your subconscious mind work. These are some of the common patterns. There could be few which you could really relate with, but I am just going through that very fast because I'm running short of time. So as I told you, like your childhood programming or your youth days actually create most of your programming in the mind. Okay, and you start having all those thought process, your belief systems, which actually define your life in the later part of life. Okay, सो सपोज इफ यू आर फीलिंग constant एंजाइटी, फियर ऑफ फेलियर, ये होता ही है, मे बी समटाइम्स वी आर नॉट एक्सप्रेसिंग, फियर ऑफ रिजेक्शन, या फिर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन जो बहुत कॉमन है, वी कीप ऑन डिलेइंग कोई चीज करना है तो इट्स नॉट लाइक वी आर लेजी बट वी कीप ऑन प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट. अगर कोई नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज चल रही है, we just we can just sit and see it in for 3 hours 4 hours straight without any break also, because it is giving us that dopamine good hormone. But when it comes to take some actions, it you start procrastinate. Why? Because हो सकता है आपको in childhood blame हुआ हो या shame हुआ हो for doing anything wrong, या आपको होता है ना कि you have to do things perfectly, otherwise you are not supposed to you're not supposed to do any mistakes, you need to do perfect either this or that. Some parents behave like that. So उस सब से हमेशा एक एंजाइटी रहता है कि नहीं, what if I fail, या फिर in childhood if you tried expressing but you were being keep quiet, so those kind of people start having issues in expressing themselves, communicating themselves later on. Okay, you always feel like you deserve less, self sabotage होता है, opportunities आती हैं तो you are not confident enough to take them. या फिर in some families adults make all the decisions, you're not allowed to make mistakes, again you procrastinate, या you feel confused, you're not able to actually take some really important decisions for your own, independently think करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. या फिर you went through comparison जो siblings में बहुत होता है, again expecting to be perfect. Then again a very common patterns that I see, you seek validation, आपको approval चाहिए होता है, you seek negative attention by making mistakes, आपको insecurity बहुत लगता है, right? So these are some of the common patterns. It's not necessary that you might be having some kind of things, but now you know the logic behind it. You would be able to understand the patterns. If you're seeing something similar um, anywhere, you would be able to pinpoint. अच्छा, maybe this is happening because of that. आप किसी को judge करना या blame करने की जगह, it would be easier for you now to understand the reason behind these patterns. Why is it happening? Okay. Okay, so now the last topic is about the manifestation, because this is quite a buzzword these days, and कि manifestation करके ना you are going to get achieve anything that you wish in your life. And the reason behind that, as I said, like attracts like. Okay, so if you are basically what happens is like कि जब आप रेडियो पे भी कोई if you want to play some song, right, so what आपको एक particular frequency पे जाना होता है, when it matches then only you are able to connect to that station, right? This is the similar thing which is happening with us. We all are connected with the universe. We are the universal energy. But what happens is like if your thought process are not aligned with the kind of things that you want to achieve in your life. Basically, as I said, हमारी वाइब्रेशन एक हमेशा एक रहती है, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड एक हमारा जनरेट रहता है, वो अगर मैच नहीं हो रहा है द थिंग्स दैट यू रियली वांट टू, then how can you manifest such things? So आप affirmations या manifestation classes ले लीजिए, but actually the bottom line is, this is just to make you aware so that you do not fall into that kind of trap. uh, you have to work on your thought process. If that is fixed, then definitely you can achieve whatever you want to. Okay, so this is the vibrational match chart. This is being designed by a famous scientist. तो जितने भी जो इमोशंस होते हैं ना, उनकी एक फ्रीक्वेंसी उन्होंने निकाल के दी है एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट के थ्रू. तो एज यू कैन सी, व्हेन यू गो विद पीस जॉय लव, जब ये सारे अच्छे इमोशंस वी आर हैविंग, हमें रिसेंटमेंट नहीं है, वी आर नॉट हैविंग दैट एंगर इमोशंस और बिटरनेस टुवर्ड्स एनीवन, देन हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी हाई है. बट एज यू कैन सी बिलो, इफ यू आर फुल ऑफ शेम, गिल्ट, फियर, ग्रीफ, एंगर, बहुत सारी दबी हुई चीजें हैं, उनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी लो है, दैट मीन्स यू आर वाइब्रेटिंग एट द लो लेवल. जब आपका वाइब्रेशन लो लेवल पे होगा तो आप हाई लेवल की चीजें कैसे अट्रैक्ट करेंगे? अ वेरी सिंपल लॉजिक. So this is again very important to understand. So it's all about being in the that kind of blaming mode ki, that person did this to me, that's why I'm doing this, blaming the situations outside, blaming the other persons for whatever things you're going in your life. Or instead you want to have that courage to take responsibility of your life कि right, मेरे इमोशंस है, मेरी फीलिंग्स है, मेरी सिचुएशंस है, मेरे थॉट पैटर्न्स है, इट इज माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, आई कैन फिक्स इट. देयर आर वेज टू uh, to replace them with the good things. And basically, this is all about how you're going to take things. So after finishing up this call, you can take the print out, screenshot of this page. कि it is just about taking that ना self awareness test कि हम कभी ऐसे बैठ के देखते नहीं है कि these are the different bucket areas in our life, your health, relationships, career, money, these are all the important things in your life. आप करंट स्टेट पे क्या स्कोर दे रहे हैं और आपका डिजायर्ड स्टेट क्या है. दिस इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. आप कहाँ पर हैं, आपका डिजायर्ड क्या है, आपको अपने आप समझ में आएगा वेयर आई एम लैकिंग एंड वेयर आई नीड टू डू द सर्टेन थिंग्स. Okay, and I can share this later on about the client testimonials and the kind of work that I do, because I there is a reason why I touched upon this energy body and the mental body, because I work what the kind of work that I do, I work on both side by side. Because if you just work on your thoughts and you do not release the blockages that are there on your energy centers, then it is going to come again, राइट. या फिर आपने एनर्जी बॉडी अपनी क्लीन कर ली, दे आर हीलर्स, एक्चुअली दे आर प्राणी एनर्जी हीलर्स. दो पीपल दे वर्क प्रोफेशनली एंड दे एक्चुअली वर्क ऑन योर these energy thing, they clean up the bad energy from your body. But if you are not working on your mental thoughts, then again it's going to be the same cycle. So that's why the kind of thing that I have learned and I apply in my work is the holistic healing, where we are working on all the three layers: your physical body, your mental body, and energy body. And many of the people here, I have, because I have been running a 5-day challenge. So some people have joined here from that group also. So I'm actually launching my Back to You 45-day emotional reset journey program. Okay, because I understand that I have gone through a similar kind of journey myself, so I understand how important it is. Just a second. Okay. So I understand like such kind of work require a hand holding. It is not possible to do it alone, to understand your thoughts and work upon them and everything. If you can do it by doing reading some self-help books or YouTube videos or everything, this is all okay. But many people require that kind of hand holding, someone to mentor, someone to help. And that's the reason why I've launched this program, where I'm going to be available for 45-day emotional reset journey, where I'm going to work on all these layers one by one. Okay, and this is my promise that this is going to be a guided journey to move you from whatever emotional overwhelm, whatever things that you're going through, to your own self, basically, because I believe everybody is having immense professional, सब में बहुत ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल है. इफ़ यू आर स्टक और समथिंग दैट इज जस्ट अ रोड ब्लॉक. मान लो आपको ए पॉइंट से बी में जाना है, आप गूगल मैप लगाते हो, तो आपको ट्रैफिक आएगा, कहीं कोई रोड ब्लॉक आएगा, सो वहाँ पे आपको वो हेल्प की बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती है, राइट. एंड दिस इज नॉट जस्ट मोटिवेशन टॉक्स, राइट. दिस इज नॉट सम इंस्ट्रक्शन काइंड ऑफ कोर्स, नो. All logical thing, what is there, whatever I have learned so far, I have kept it very simple, very practical. You have also experienced few things during the session also, but that was just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many hidden things that are inside us, and it takes time. पुरानी चीजों को रिप्रोग्राम करने में, न्यू हैबिट्स लाने में, और आपको खुद से रिकनेक्ट करने में, जो हम भूल जाते हैं, इतना टाइम मिनिमम चाहिए होता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव केप्ट इट फॉर 45 days. But it's a promise that I can vouch for. Just a second. Okay. Okay, so this is what you will get. 45-day guided emotional reset journey. Every week, there are going to be 2 live sessions, approx 90 minutes. Then on the weekend, I'm going to have some live meditations or guided practices रहेंगे, worksheets रहेंगे, there are so many things, affirmation books. And I'm available all the time on WhatsApp. Okay, and the session recording, which is very, very important. Okay, because many of the places they do not provide the session recording, and then whatever you have learned is gone. It becomes very difficult to, because sometimes you cannot just learn and remember things in one go. So I am providing the session recording lifetime access, and there is something that I'm providing which nobody else can do: money back guarantee. Because I'm so much confident about my this program, that if you do not feel any change in yourself, then you can tell me this is not working with me, ma'am, and I can give the money back to you with no explanation. Okay, even if it is happening in the middle of the program, I'm okay to return, because I want you to experience the changes yourself, and this is the commitment that I can give. Okay, but yeah, I can be there as a guide. The main work needs to be done from you only. Okay, and this is the special launch offer, because otherwise the pricing is different. But you people have joined this session, and some people are coming from my 5-day program as well. This is exclusively for you people only. Okay, so there are two options out here, as you can see. आज के लिए the launch price is 5999, which includes your live group coaching sessions, WhatsApp support, worksheet, and everything. There is another premium program for which the launch price for today is 7499, because I'm going to include two one-to-one personal coaching sessions with me. Otherwise, जो standard program है, that is going to be a group coaching program. वहाँ पे multiple people होंगे, but that is a safe space, and you can always communicate with me in by privately message me in case you need any guidance or something. I'm always available. Okay, and this offer is available. This is a launch pricing. And this is only for you participants who are there in the webinar. And if you enroll within the next 24 hours, after that, the pricing is going to be changed, which you can see on the slide. Okay, so now I know we Indians especially are having that mentality of thinking a lot when it comes to spending on ourselves, especially when it comes to our mental health and our wellness and everything. We think like it's not that necessary. We can talk to a friend, or we can talk to our family members, and things will settle down on its own. Things will get healed. But trust me, as we age, all these things start taking up much deeper space in your mind and body. And before it becomes, it becomes very bad, I think we should stand up and take action. I have taken actions in my own life. That's why I'm talking about this so confidently. I was working in IT in a very senior position, doing very well, but I took a break. I got into this field, and I had amazing experience during my healing journey, and that's the exact thing I'm going to share during my program. Okay, so please think about it and let me know. If you wish to enroll, then I can provide you that space. Okay, so this might be your current state or desired state that you want to, and it's a kind of bridge only that you have to cross. And there are so many things actually inside us. We have to unlearn firstly, we have to relearn, and there's so many things we haven't learned, so we have to learn new things as well. Okay, so this is a journey, but an amazing journey. That is something that I can vouch for very confidently. And as I said, if you do not feel the changes in your life, and if you do not feel like this program is a good fit, or I'm not able to provide you the right kind of guidance, I can give the money back to you. So, but why I'm saying that? Because I'm super duper confident about my program. The way I have learned it, I know it can give you miraculous results. And like I said, we are having that kind of mindset, like we think a lot before spending on ourselves. We are okay spending for shopping or going to restaurant or movies or a vacation or everything, but this is going to be the best investment in your life, because it has immense returns back. You are going to get your good health back, your mental peace, your clarity in your life, the good relationships, and whatnot. You can you can have your goals achieved, and you can get that mental peace that everybody want to. Okay, okay, so I'm done from my end. If you're having any questions, You can please type in.